Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit urban black and orange filter using Lightroom mobile app. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure negative 0.30. Plus 70 for contrast. Highlights down to negative 40. Shadow plus 25. White down to negative 70. Blacks plus 20. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. Plus 30 for vibrance. And saturation 16. Go to color, mix. First go to red color. Saturation down to negative 20. And luminance to negative 10. Next go to orange. Negative 10 for hue. Saturation for minus 30. And plus 10 for luminance. Go to yellow. Negative 100 for hue. Saturation for plus 30. And plus 34 luminance. Saturation down to negative 100, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. And done. Next go to Effect. plus 15 for texture. Clarity 2 plus 50. Dehiz 2 plus 14. Minus 40 for vignette. And 84 feather. Go to split tone. Bring the hue 220 and saturation 10 for highlights. And done. Now go to details. Noise reduction 15. And color noise reduction bring to 35. And finish. Now, let's try to copy preset to another photo. Copy setting. Paste setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in next video.